Hello everyone and welcome to our part died aka the Tanarine on Reddit. Optimus and Ratchet start Team Rodimus. And so, without further ado, let's get on the other story and let's see how the story ends. Our story begins with after the ship had arrived on the planet Earth, and the court who had died on the ship, although that stole it. Outer maggots and the court smoke scream on the planet Earth, and they of course had arrived on the planet Earth, although that are the two of them on the planet Earth. And so the others they are glad to see two others on planet Earth had arrived and with how to smoke scream and the court outer maggots to defeat the Decepticons and end the war once and the war. And so the others they go to the Reddit and of course they also defeat the Decepticons tutors, all of them one by one, although that so. And so the Decepticons try to attack the others, but there are too many of them to fight them one by one. And of course, I can alternate it to the Decepticons. They are defeated, so eating because they are too many of them to attack to all the others. Although that, so then. And that is why the Decepticons died so easy, because they are defeated by the others one by one, although that so. And that is the end on the Decepticons. And so the others defeat the Decepticons and goodbye into the humans, because the war for Tadatron is over. And so they get back on the Netherdish to get back to the home planet. On home, it's Tadatron, all of that so. And so Optimus time that are to calling all lots to go home to the Tron, because the war for Tadatron it's older, and of course a new wait for Tadatron begins. And that is going now lead to now everybody. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see all you guys in what it called what in the daters. I can't wait to tell you this story of that though. Until then, bye.